There is a clear and predictable path to reconnecting with your wife when she wants separation. Not knowing the stages and milestones to aim for can cause you to lose hope, make the wrong moves, and ultimately risk losing your wife for good. Hey everyone, it's Emily here. And in this video, I'll show you the 5 stages you will go through to save your relationship. For those new here, I'm Emily, and for 12 years, my team at Emlovz has helped men find and keep love. Subscribe and click the bell for more tips on rebuilding your relationship without therapy. Let's dive into these 5 stages. Understand where you might be and learn the tips, exercises, and common mistakes that either set men back or propel them forward, ultimately creating an even stronger bond with their wives than before. Stage 1. Overcoming negative sentiment. When some men realize their marriage is on the verge of falling apart, they encounter what I refer to as the negative sentiment stage. In this phase, your wife might give you divorce papers, move out, or even begin a relationship with someone else. It feels as though all hope is lost. She becomes distant, cold, and seeing you only brings up feelings of failure. This stage is often marked by emotionally detached conversations and a significant lack of connection. A common mistake men make during this stage is giving up hope, even though it may seem utterly hopeless. Many men have managed to turn things around by committing to hard work and perseverance. In my Relationships Decoded course, we give you easy and actionable steps to flip the script to positive sentiment override, where every time your wife sees you, she feels super attracted to you, and your relationship becomes full of joy, love, and passion once again. But before we can get there, you must go through the remaining stages. Stage 2, navigating the grievance reframe. Men who stay persistent and hopeful during the initial phase often move into the grievance reframe stage. At this point, your wife transitions from a negative outlook to a more neutral position. Her actions might seem inconsistent. She might talk about planning a vacation one day and then hand you divorce papers the next. This back and forth can be really confusing. The most common mistake during this stage is focusing on the negatives instead of the positives. You might instinctively try to protect yourself by zeroing in on potential threats, but this can lead to emotional withdrawal. Instead, pay attention to the positive signals she's sending. This approach helps her start to see you as the hero rather than the villain. Positive signs include her willingness to engage in activities with you and the kids, having neutral or normal emotions during conversations, and giving you mixed messages about her feelings. To move forward, work on mastering your masculine nonverbal communication, such as maintaining steady eye contact, using a confident tone of voice, and making statements rather than asking questions. Consistently pass her test to demonstrate that you've genuinely changed, reinforcing your new positive behaviors. Stage 3, creating the passion reboot. When your wife moves to a neutral standpoint, she may become open to your influence once more. This phase, referred to as passion reboot, is the ideal time to reintroduce flirting and enhance attraction through the interplay of masculine and feminine energies. A frequent error at this stage is assuming that everything is resolved and reverting to old habits. It's crucial to address any past resentments with the right approach and timing to prevent backsliding into earlier stages. Indicators of success in this phase include her being comfortable with your touch, smiling more, making prolonged eye contact, and arranging moments for the two of you to spend time alone together. To advance, you'll need to engage in a crucial conversation to cement your progress and establish a new positive dynamic. Our Relationships Decoded course can guide you through this important dialogue, ensuring it leads you to the next stage, relationship vision. Stage 4, building a relationship vision. During the relationship vision stage, the emotional investments you've made start to yield results. Your wife begins to see a shared future with you, and your commitment strengthens your bond. She recognizes the positive changes in you and starts envisioning a new, brighter future together. Common mistakes at this stage include becoming complacent, getting distracted, or reverting to old habits. It's important to stay vigilant, avoid shifting blame, and remain present and engaged. Signs that you're in this this stage include her making more plans and trips with you, initiating physical contact, and seeking your support with her problems. To solidify your progress, work together to create a shared vision for your future. Discuss your goals, dreams, and plans as a couple. This shared vision deepens your connection and helps maintain the positive momentum in your relationship. Stage 5, achieving intimate renewal. At this ultimate stage, you've successfully navigated the journey. Your wife now feels safe, cherished, and deeply loved, resulting in a resurgence of physical intimacy and a stronger emotional connection. She's more spontaneous and joyful, and she makes an effort to spend quality time with you. However, be aware of a crucial point. Before her testing behavior completely fades, you might experience a significant flare-up. She may initiate a major argument seemingly out of the blue to see if you'll revert to your old ways. Remain calm and composed. This is her final test to confirm that you've genuinely changed. Indicators of success in this stage include renewed sexual intimacy, hearing her say, "I love you" again, and her embracing her feminine side. To sustain this progress, continue seeking support and ensure your relationship's foundation remains solid. Bonus stage. Consummate love. Dr. Robert Sternberg's triangle theory of love describes the pinnacle stage as consummate love, characterized by intimacy, passion, and commitment. At this stage, your wife reinterprets your past conflicts as necessary challenges, seeing your relationship as stronger and more resilient for having faced them. This stage signifies a new depth of connection where you both evolve into a power couple, continuously supporting and uplifting each other. If you need guidance on reaching this ultimate stage, schedule an intro call with us. We're here to assist you in navigating this journey and achieving the deeply fulfilling relationship you aspire to. Each stage demands dedication and consistent effort. By comprehending and successfully moving through these stages, you can reignite your marriage and build a stronger, more passionate bond than ever before. If you want a comprehensive breakdown and a program that provides all the necessary steps to rebuild your relationship from the ground up, join my masterclass on the 5 proven steps to rebuilding your relationship. In the masterclass, I'll show you the exact process my clients use to transform their relationships. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.